Alright, Baron 683 Delta Delta is ready to go 23 left. Give me 170. Or 1.
November 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 23 left, 683 Delta Delta.
Blue Street 5202, turn right at the next intersection, straight into the ramp, monitor ground, point 9er.
Right on Kilo 2 to the ramp, monitor ground, point 9er, Blue Street 5202.
I'm going to cinch it up a little
November
bit.
3 Delta Delta, turn left heading 17023 left, clear for takeoff, wind 230 at 7.
Left to 170, clear for takeoff, 23 left, 683 Delta Delta. Alright, here we go. Power's coming up. Nice and even.
Greensboro Tower, crew check 139 on the ILS 23 right at 2,800.
Crew check 139 Greensboro Tower, 23 right, clear for the option. After the option, maintain 3000, fly runway heading.
Clear for the option, 23 right.
There's 90.
After the option, fly maintain 3000 on runway heading. Crew check 139.
We get to 400 feet, we're going to hit heading, we'll turn on course. Here we go.
November 3 Delta Delta, contact approach, good day.
Cover to departure, 3 Delta Delta, good day. Greensboro departure, Baron 683 Delta Delta is 1500, climbing 3000, 170 on the heading.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7000. What's the on-course heading to destination?
7000, looks like, let me find it here, 125.
November 3 Delta Delta, you are clear direct to Mike Romeo Hotel.
Okay, direct to Beaufort, 3 Delta Delta, and up to 7.
Last aircraft checking in second.
Oh, we got it nice and trimmed out.
November 5125, Greensboro approach, welcome, expect runway 23 left, Mike is current, advise when to get Mike.
We'll go to that, we'll go autopilot on, lights are off, everything's done.
Good morning, Greensboro, Columbia 797 Tango's with you at 4,000, assigned heading 033.
And I think that's it for now. I'll drop you guys down just for a second. Look, we're at 4,000 feet. There's some clouds off to our left. Clouds to the right. Look right here in the middle. I'm stuck here in the middle between clouds to the left and clouds to the right. Something about jokers too, I don't know. But anyways, we're looking good. So stay tuned. We'll join back up when we get a little closer.
You'll be above the restricted area 530 until you pass it. Region 1200, just maintain that VFR 14.5 until you're out of the restricted area 5302 for about 8 miles. Radar services terminated. Frequency change approved for port exiting.
All right, welcome back. We're setting up for the RNF22. I don't know if we'll get a visual or not. We're going to try. Water bottle, my water stove. There's one to go.
November 3 Delta Delta, both of them were at 12 o'clock, 10 miles, whenever we'll report to some site.
3 Delta Delta has the field in sight. We'll go ahead and cancel IFR.
November 3 Delta Delta, IFR cancellation received, squawk maintain VFR, frequency change approved, and once you're on the ground, would you give me a radio check on 125.65, please?
Okay, 2565.
Number 3 Delta Delta, affirmative, just once you're on the ground, you have a good day.
Okay, will do, thank you.
Thank you.
Greenville traffic, Diamond 840, Alpha Bravo, left base, runway 26, to Greenville.
Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is about 8 miles to the northwest, inbound landing 22, Beaufort.
Greenville traffic, Diamond 840, Alpha Bravo, final runway 26, to Greenville.
Good to go. Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is about 5 to the northwest, going to enter on a right downwind runway 22, Beaufort.
Wallace traffic, RV 51265, 10 out to the south. We're going to be entering left downwind for Q7 Wallace traffic.
And Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta is right downwind runway 22, Beaufort. Doody-doody-doo, we're turning right base. Beaufort traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta, turn on right base, 22, Beaufort. Prop sync off, speed checks for full flaps. They're moving. And Beaufort traffic, 3 Delta Delta, turn in final, 22, Beaufort. One to go. All right, y'all down. So wait, 3 green, no red, lights are on, mixer's rich, flaps are full. Y'all dampers away. Everything's done. Right, slight wind from the right. Oh, watch out, birds. Jeez. Bunch of little black birds or something. Gusty. Hold on to your hat. Ooh, yo. Hey. 40. Roll down to the end. All right, thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. See us on the next one. Thanks for watching.